How to reset or create a new paper trading account in TradingView in this video. I am going to show you how to reset your existing paper trading account or create a brand new paper trading account in TradingView. Whether you want to start over with a fresh balance, test a new trading strategy, or use multiple demo accounts, this tutorial will guide you through the process. First, open TradingView and sign in to your account. Then, open any chart and connect your paper trading account by clicking the Trade button and selecting Paper Trading. Let's start with resetting your existing paper trading account. Open the trading panel and click the settings or gear icon next to your paper trading account. From the account settings, select Reset Account. A setup window will appear where you can customize your new virtual account. Here you can change your starting balance, select a different account currency, and adjust leverage settings before confirming the reset. Keep in mind that resetting your account will permanently delete all open positions, pending orders, completed trades, account history, and profit or loss records. Once you confirm the reset, this action cannot be undone. Now let's see how to create a new paper trading account. Instead of resetting your current account, open the Account menu in the Trading panel and choose Create New Paper Trading Account. TradingView allows you to create multiple paper trading accounts, making it easy to test different strategies, trade different asset classes, or use separate account currencies without affecting your existing demo account. When creating a new account, you'll be able to choose your preferred starting balance, account currency, and leverage settings before the account is created. You can switch between your paper trading accounts at any time from the Account selection menu. If you no longer need an extra account, simply open the account settings and delete that specific paper trading account without affecting your remaining accounts. Here's a pro tip. Instead of using one paper trading account for everything, create separate accounts for different trading styles. For example, you can have one account for day trading, another for swing trading, and another for testing new strategies. This keeps your results organized and makes performance analysis much easier. And that's how you can reset or create a new paper trading account in TradingView. Whether you're starting fresh or managing multiple practice accounts, these features make it easier to learn, improve, and test your trading strategies without risking real money. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.